Hi, it's Pavel Shukman from Reliza, and today I'm going to demonstrate our new feature, approvals for any CI/CD pipeline. Our setup for this demo consists of one backend project, one front-end project, and a product that integrates the two. We also have our test, staging, and production instance. Our goal would be for test to always have the latest release of our product. Staging would follow that release only if it's approved by QA, and production would require approvals by QA and also project manager. We start by going into settings and configuring our approval matrix accordingly. So we require QA approval for our staging and production instances, and for production instance we also require project manager approval, and we're saving our approval matrix. Next, we should invite our approvers, and we can do it from the same page. And another one. That's done. Each approver would need to confirm their email to be added to the organization. Once both approvers confirm their emails, they will become visible as the organization users. Now the organization administrator may give them approval permissions accordingly. So we will give one of our users QA approving permissions, and another user will get project manager approval permissions. When this is done, we will go to our instances and simulate deployment of our project releases to our test instance. Note that this is normally done automatically, but we will do it manually for the demo purposes. So we will add our project releases here, one backend release and one UI release. Say this one. Notice that each of our change is reflected here. We will now set our test instance to integrate our Reliza test product with base feature set and default namespace. And now we will generate a new product release. So here we got a new product release generated for us. Now we will go to our staging instance first and make it follow our test product release. And we will do the same thing with our production instance, making it follow our product release. Notice that for both production and staging instance, the target instance is the target release version is currently not set. This is expected because we didn't get approvals on any of our releases for Reliza test product. This will change when we get approvals, and I'll demonstrate you how in a moment. I just switched view to my QA approver user. So what this user does, it goes to our test instance, sees this release, and if QA likes this release, what they can do is put QA approval there. So we save this approval. So one thing happens immediately. If we now go to our staging instance, we see that the target release is now equal to our new product release. So if the instance pulls this information from Reliza Hub will return all the details of this release, which consists of specific backend release and specific front-end release with artifacts, SHA digests, specific commits, and any other meta information that we need. However, if we go to production instance, expectedly, production instance didn't get its target set. That was because our approval matrix for production requires also project manager approval. So what this QA person may do is they may go back to the release, say now on their staging instance, pull the release information, and request their project manager to do approval. So we click request approval, request was sent, and now I will demonstrate what happens from the project manager perspective. So our project manager just got this email that they were asked to approve this release version of Reliza test product. And they know that the approval was made, requested by this user. So the project manager needs to click this link, observe the release details, and if they like what they see, they just click here, save approvals, and done. Approvals are saved. And if we now go to our production instance, we see that as staging instance before, it now has target release set to the new approved release. So now again, if our continuous delivery pipeline pulls Reliza hub for the information, it will get bill of materials for this release with all its details, and it will be safely deployed to production after receiving all required approvals. This concludes today's demo. Thank you very much for watching.